Hi everybody, I hope all of you are well. So today I have a Gucci unboxing for you. So I'm pretty excited for that to show you. And I just happened to unbox this little goodie here. I'm just deciding where to put it right now. I just literally unboxed it before I did this video. I'm thinking about maybe putting it here, but it's cool. It's got, I'll show you. It's got the Chanel bag and it's got Louis Vuitton in pink, which I love pink, and Kate Moss, who I love, and Tom Ford. So I thought that was a really cool thing. I got it from Great Big Canvas, I believe is what it's called. So I'll have it linked down below for you if you want to check out some of their things. So okay, so let's get to the unboxing. Okay, so so I got some Gucci goodies. If you saw my outfit of the day, one of them was I had to repurchase the Gucci belt here with the monogram, black leather and brass hardware. So I got that. And then I ended up getting, I wanted to show you too, it's kind of funny. So I went to, I got one thing from Rodeo, I got one thing from Rodeo Drive, the bag that I'm going to show you. I got this belt from Topanga and then something else online. So it was just funny because Topanga had the gift bags, the Christmas holiday ones. And so when I went to the mall, of course it was raining that day. And so when I was leaving, I was walking through Macy's and I didn't want to get the cute bag all wet. So this guy that happened to work there was all concerned and he was like, oh, I used to work in a storage thing and I can pack this up for you and double it up and blah, blah, blah. So it was pretty funny. But anyway, I'll show you what the bag looked like in case you haven't seen it yet, but I'm sure you all have by now. So this is the holiday packaging. And Rodeo Drive didn't have it. They ran out, or I don't know what happened there. But anyway, and so I already unboxed it, but I rewrapped it, but this is how it came. And so I ended up getting the belt I'm wearing, and then I ended up getting the exact same one, but all black leather with shiny silver hardware, which I'll show you. So it came in a dust bag like this. And this is the black belt. It still has the wrapping on it, but you can see it's a shiny silver and it's all black leather. Just a basic belt, but I like that I have the option now of either having, you know, the gold or the black, depending. They don't have the monogram style like I'm wearing with the silver, so that's why I got one of each. But I like the big logo size, which they both have. And as you can see, it's still wrapped. I'm just gonna wait till I wear it before I unwrap, take the cellophane off. But like I said, you can see from the back, it's shiny silver hardware. And I do have a picture trying it on with that particular belt. And the other fun thing, if you order online, you get a couple little extra bonuses. So for inside, they give you this Gucci wrapping. I don't know if that was like a holiday thing or if that's just standard, but there's that. That's kind of fun, little extra. And then of course they give you tote bags. So over the last year or so, I've collected a few of them. So you get this when you order online. So I have that one. I have different sizes. I have a little guy here, I think because I ordered a card case, and then a huge one here. So, you know, fun little extra bonuses. Okay, so now for my last unboxing. This is the one that was from the Rodeo Drive store. It's a bag. It's something that they came out with recently, I believe. I don't know exactly when, but it was recent, a new line, which has an edginess to it that you'll see that I'm like that. I like the edgy vibe. So this is something that they don't normally do, I think, but they did it on this line. But anyway, it came in this bag. And then of course it has the standard packaging here. So with the ribbon, I already unboxed it. I just haven't removed the wrapping on the bag. I'll show you in a second what I mean, but This is the box that came in. Pretty boxes. I like all the decor. I just get fascinated with the packaging. I'm like a geek about that. So if you guys don't like seeing that, sorry, but I like to look at all the little packaging and the extras and the red lining. I mean, everything is just so pretty. So there was that. And then it came in this dust bag. Gucci. Okay, so here it came all perfectly wrapped, all fresh. So the gal that I use at Rodeo Drive, I always tell her, you know, when you send it to me, is it a fresh one, unopened, all this. So she always sends me one of those. So I appreciate that. So she sent it to me through the mail. It came the next day. So, okay, so I'm going to go ahead and like get all this stuff off and then I'll show you the bag. Okay, so I have it ready to reveal. I didn't take all the packaging off, like the straps and stuff. Until I use it. And also for modeling shots and things, I'll do it on my Instagram, which is handbag LVR13, or, you know, an outfit of the day or something. But I wanted you to see the cool style that this was in. So I got the Gucci camera bag, and it's got the difference is the pattern. It's got like a different kind of pattern. Instead of the chevron, it's got this other kind of quilting with the diagonal and then with the vertical. And it's got silver hardware, which I love. They normally, as far as I know, normally they don't do silver. They do, you know, the brass gold is kind of their trademark. So it's just something kind of fun. It has something different. And I really love the pattern of the bag. So you can see on the back as well. Super gorgeous. You know, your standard camera Gucci bag. Has the strap on top. It has, you know, but it's all in silver. And of course it has the strap here, which, see, I have to connect it and everything. I didn't realize they didn't connect it, so it'll take a little time. And so I'll play around with it and do an outfit of the day, but I wanted to reveal this new purchase to you. So they come in it comes in a mini size and the small size. This is the small, and I have a picture that I can insert of me wearing both of them. But I opted for the small versus the mini. It's quite a big difference, and but it's still like reasonable, you know, good size to go out with. So, or use as an everyday bag. I felt the mini was a little too tiny, you know. So, anyways, I opted for the small. I hope you enjoyed my video. I hope you enjoyed my unboxings. I'm sorry if I'm rusty, but hopefully I'll put some more out there. So, until next time, bye.